Chapter 3 Nomad of the book Unfinished by Priyanka Chopra Jonas. The author, Priyanka, talks about her vacation to the place called Cedar Rapids in America, where she and her mother traveled to meet her aunt who used to stay there. She confesses how, as a little girl, she always fantasized about the United States, the great buildings, and the high-end fashion. However, her fantasy came to an end when she reached the city. Her disappointment about the real America and her fantasized world came to an end when her aunt offered her to visit an American high school. The vastness of the cafeteria, the school buildings, and playing field amazed her, and she told her wish to her mother to stay in the United States. Her parents decided to let her give it a try and stay with her aunt and study there. Priyanka easily adjusted to the American high school without any struggle. Her aunt taught her to be independent in every way and do all her work on her own. Priyanka shifted to her mother's brother's house as her aunt changed job for the time being, and Priyanka started feeling a sense of belonging there as she found her new friend Vanessa. She loved everything about America, the music, the fashion, and the global India picture where people from all over the world came together. Priyanka's aunt moved to a new place with kids, Indianapolis. Priyanka joined new school in grade 10th. Here, things were different. People from different ethnicities did not mix or overlap. Thus, the author felt alone. Eventually, Priyanka found friends, but all of whom were from different backgrounds. She tried to keep her focus on school chores and to keep her grades high, as she aspired to become an aeronautical engineer or a criminal psychologist. Her uncle led her into science field and she decided to become an engineer. However, Priyanka had become target for some students and they would bully her. She tried her best to ignore them. Soon, the school year ended and vacation started, and they went for a family road trip. After the vacations, when school started, it meant all the bullying thing again, and gradually Priyanka's confidence dropped and her grades too. One call was all it took. Her mother came and they packed everything, and soon they started going back to their home, and the amazing phase of her life ended and she went adieu to this amazing phase of life. Thank you for patiently listening to this amazing part. Bye bye.